Today we're going to remove and install door handles on a 2007 Cadillac Escalade using these three tools and in under 10 minutes. We're going to start by removing this lock cover. We're going to remove the window switch. Under the armrest there's a cover plate with 2 bolts and one behind the door handle. After that we'll pry the door panel away from the door and be able to get out what we need. This comes apart pretty easy. Just a pick or a small screwdriver will take that out, as well as pop out the cover plate behind the door handle, exposing a 10-meter bolt. We'll just put that there. The window switch literally pops out of the door handle. And on the back of it you'll see they've actually written the color on the back of the switch, so it's impossible to mix up. There's a cover plate behind the armrest that just pops out like that, and it exposes 2 10-millimeter bolts. We're going to use an extension to get all the way in there with our 10-millimeter socket. We'll loosen those 2 as well as one behind the door handle. The window switch is unhooked. Lock cover is off. Bolts are out. And we'll pry it away from the door. Here we are. You can unhook the door handle cable if you'd like, but we didn't need to for what we were doing. All the way in there is another 10-millimeter bolt, as well as another one in that hole that holds the handle onto the door. We'll loosen that. The other one, and the door handle literally slides down and out. It's attached to the manual actuator. However, it literally just pulls right off. It's that easy. We've got some brand new bubble wrap door handles to be installed, and we're going to play with the bubble wrap later. We'll get these on the truck the same way they came off. Back onto the actuator rod. We're going to clean up that area before we bolt it back in. That's how it's installed. We'll put the bolts back in, lock cover back on, cover plates are on, and the window switch is hooked up. This is the same on any General Motors half-ton from 2007 to 2014, Suburban, Tahoe, Escalade. It's all the same, and it's that easy.